How to create a GC in Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a GC or a group chat in Messenger. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Messenger app, let's first check if our Messenger is up to date. So to do that, just go to your app store over here, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and search for Messenger. Now this page should pop up, and just check if your Messenger is up to date. So to do that, if that shows an update button, that means that your Messenger is currently outdated. So just tap on the update button so that you will have the latest features within the app. Now if that says open, that means that your Messenger is updated and you're good to go. Assuming that I am now done updating my Messenger app, just go ahead and open up your Messenger. And to create a GC or a group chat, just click on this compose icon from the chats page. Make sure that you are at the chats page. Click on that and just click on create a new group over here. And Facebook will list some suggested account from this page, and you can just click on this little circle right beside their name. So for example, I'm gonna select these friends of mine. So just select the friends that you want to include on that specific GC. And after you have selected them, you can also search for them as well from here if you don't see them from the list below. Like that, and just type in their name. So once you have selected the people you want for your GC, just type in your group name and click on create right here. And that should automatically create that certain group chat. And so that is how you can basically create a GC in Messenger. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.